Investing with Fidelity is a user-friendly process as the platform offers a range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and retirement accounts. To get started, you first need to open an account, which can be done directly on Fidelity's website. You'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open, such as an individual brokerage account, an IRA for retirement savings, or a college savings account. After creating your account, fund it by transferring money from your bank account. Fidelity offers low minimums for many of its funds, making it accessible to investors with varying levels of capital. Once funded, you can begin exploring Fidelity's investment offerings. Fidelity is well known for its zero-expense ratio index funds, which allow you to invest without annual fees. These funds track major indexes and are an excellent option for those looking to build wealth over time with low fees. Fidelity also provides tools and resources, such as investment screeners and planning tools, to help you make informed choices based on your goals. For beginners, starting with diversified index funds or ETFs can be a solid approach. As you grow more comfortable, you can explore Fidelity's more advanced options and research tools, adjusting your strategy as your knowledge and goals evolve.